There are several clubs all over the world who host shows for mice, similar to rat shows. Shows are most commonly held in the US, the UK, and Australia. Clubs include the FMBA, Fancy Mouse Breeders Association, and Afro-American Fancy Rat and Mouse Association, in the United States, and NMC, National Mouse Club, in the United Kingdom. A quote from the NMC describes the ideal mouse body type for showing. The mouse must be long on body with long clean head, not too fine or pointed at the nose. The eyes should be large, bold and prominent. The ears large and tulip-shaped, free from creases, carried erect with plenty of width between them. The body should be long and slim, a trifle arched over the loin and racy in appearance. The tail, which must be free from kinks, should come well out of the back and be thick at the root or set on, gradually tapering like a whiplash to a fine end, the length being about equal to that of the mouse's body. Unless the variety standard states otherwise, the coat should be short, perfectly smooth, glossy and sleek to the hand. The mouse should be perfectly tractable and free from any vice and not subject to fits or other similar ailments. A mouse with absence of whiskers, blind in one or both eyes, carrying external parasites, having a tumor, sore or legs with fur missing, suffering from any obvious disease or deformity or kinked tail shall be disqualified. Food for fancy mice can range from specially formulated feed mix to kitchen scraps. Carrot, spinach, lettuce and other vegetables are often enjoyed by mice but should be given sparingly, as such foods can result in diarrhea and life-threatening dehydration. Breadcrumbs, wheat and rice can also be good for mice. Laboratories keeping mice as experimental subjects almost uniformly use a product called Lab Block, a scientifically formulated blend originally designed for mice in laboratories. In order to keep variety in their diets, mice can also eat oats, oily seeds, clean eggshell, breakfast cereal, and stale bread. Fruit and vegetables are part of a more natural and healthful diet. Some owners give it to them as a treat after they do a trick. Mice often chew wood and other hard substances, which keeps their teeth from growing too long. Citation needed: as mice and rats have similar diets, some pet mouse owners choose to feed them rat food. Although it is common practice to feed pre-mixed diets designed for other rodents, for the longevity and health of the animal it is best to feed mouse-targeted diets. Diets for hamsters, for instance, are known to contain higher protein than what is required for mice or rats. House mice primarily feed on plant matter, but they will also accept meat and dairy products. Meats are full of protein and are good for pregnant or nursing mice. They will drink water, but require little of it, relying mainly on the moisture present in their food. If a water source is provided, then a gravity bottle feeder is necessary for maintaining the cleanliness of the water supply. They will eat their feces to acquire nutrients produced by bacteria in their intestines, a behavior they share with rabbits and guinea pigs called coprophagy. House mice, like other rodents, do not vomit. Handling. Although mice are small animals and care must be taken to avoid injury, they are also surprisingly robust and inquisitive. Once out of the cage, many enjoy running along their owner's arms, investigating pockets, or just sitting on the owner's lap and grooming. Some mice also tolerate gentle petting. Care must be taken,